As the years pass, the body begins to change in ways that are felt more than they are seen, and one of the most important changes happens quietly inside the tissues where collagen slowly declines, making skin thinner, joints less flexible, and muscles feel weaker than they used to. And many seniors are told that this is just a natural part of growing older and something they simply have to accept. But the truth is, the body is always listening to the signals it receives every single day. And one of the strongest signals comes from the way you hydrate yourself. Because water is not just a liquid moving through the body. It is a messenger that carries information to your cells, telling them whether to preserve, repair, or slowly break down. When plain water is consumed in large amounts, it hydrates, but it does not always activate the deeper repair systems that aging tissues need. And this is because collagen production requires more than just fluid. It requires the right chemical environment, the right minerals, and the right natural triggers to turn on the genes that support rebuilding. And when that environment is missing, your body stays in maintenance mode instead of repair mode. And over time, this is what makes skin lose its firmness, joints become stiff, and recovery take longer after simple daily activities. What many people do not realize is that by slightly changing what goes into their water, they can completely change how their body responds to hydration. Because when natural minerals and plant-based acids are introduced, the water becomes more than hydration. It becomes a catalyst, and this catalyst helps wake up dormant cellular pathways that support collagen formation. And it starts with something as simple as activating digestion and circulation early in the day, so nutrients move more efficiently through the bloodstream and reach the tissues that need them the most. As seniors begin to use water as a tool instead of just a habit, they notice subtle but powerful shifts inside the body, such as improved skin texture, easier movement in the joints, and a feeling of lightness that was not there before. And this happens because the body finally receives the raw materials and the chemical signals it needs to rebuild connective tissues instead of just preserving what is left. And when the body senses safety and support through proper hydration, it invests energy into repair instead of defense. Another key part of this process is circulation, because collagen-building cells depend entirely on blood flow to deliver oxygen and nutrients, and plain water does not always stimulate circulation strongly enough to make a real difference in aging tissues. But when water is enriched with ingredients that improve blood flow and vessel flexibility, the skin, tendons, and ligaments begin receiving a steady supply of what they need to regenerate. And this is when many seniors start to feel warmth in their hands and feet again, smoother movement in their knees and shoulders, and faster recovery from daily strain. Inside the skin, collagen acts like a scaffold that holds everything together. But that scaffold becomes fragile when hydration and micronutrients are lacking. And once the scaffold weakens, the surface begins to sag, fine lines deepen, and healing slows down. And the same thing happens inside the joints, where cartilage relies on collagen to cushion and protect the bones. And when that support weakens, stiffness and discomfort increase over time. And by turning water into a simple daily collagen supporting ritual, the body is reminded that renewal is still possible at any age. What makes this approach so powerful is its simplicity, because it does not rely on extreme diets, expensive treatments, or complicated routines. It relies on helping the body do what it already knows how to do when the conditions are right. And once those conditions are created consistently, the body naturally shifts toward repair, and even small improvements added together over weeks and months can create visible and physical changes that give seniors a renewed sense of strength and confidence. Hydration also interacts closely with the gut. And the gut is where many of the nutrients required for collagen production are absorbed. And when the gut lining is weak or inflamed, even the best nutrients pass through without being fully used. But when water is structured to gently support the digestive system, the gut begins to heal, absorption improves, and suddenly the same foods the senior has always eaten begin to deliver more value to the body. And this is one of the hidden secrets of why changing the way water is consumed can have such dramatic effects on skin, joints, and overall vitality. Another overlooked aspect is cellular communication, because water makes up most of the intracellular fluid where cells send chemical messages to each other. And when that internal environment is balanced and supported, the messages that travel through the body are clearer, stronger, and more effective, telling cells to build instead of break down, protect instead of weaken, and regenerate instead of surrender to time. And this is why something that seems as simple as not drinking plain water can quietly transform how the entire system functions from the inside out. Many seniors also notice changes in their energy levels when they make this shift, because better hydration with supportive compounds allows their mitochondria to produce energy more efficiently. And when energy production improves, the body has more resources to dedicate to repair, including collagen synthesis. And this creates a slow, steady upward spiral where energy, healing, and resilience work together, allowing the body to become stronger instead of weaker with each passing week. Over time, what begins as a small change in a morning routine becomes a powerful message to the entire body that aging does not have to mean decline, and that strength, flexibility, and structure can still be supported from within simply by changing the way water is used every day. And this daily practice becomes a quiet commitment to health, mobility, and dignity that grows stronger as the body responds to the signals it is given, reinforcing the idea that the body is always capable of renewal when it is given the right support. Inside the body, collagen is not created by chance. It is built through a carefully coordinated process that depends on signals, raw materials, and timing. And when any one of these pieces is missing, the entire system slows down, which is why many seniors feel like their bodies are drying out, shrinking, and losing strength at the same time, even though they are still drinking plenty of water every day, because that water, when it is plain and empty, often flows through without activating the deeper repair systems that are responsible for tissue strength, skin elasticity, and joint resilience. The real shift begins when hydration changes from being passive to being purposeful, because when natural acids, trace minerals, and plant compounds are added to water, the body interprets that as a signal of abundance rather than scarcity. And abundance tells the body that it is safe to invest energy into rebuilding instead of just preserving what remains. And this is where collagen production begins to quietly rise again, not as a sudden miracle, but as a steady biological response to better internal conditions. Blood plasma is mostly water, and blood is the highway through which collagen-building nutrients travel. And when that plasma is balanced and mineralized, oxygen delivery improves, nutrient transport becomes more efficient, and waste products are cleared away faster. And this creates a clean internal environment where fibroblasts, the cells that assemble collagen, can work without stress, without inflammation, and without constant interruption, allowing them to produce stronger, tighter, more organized collagen fibers that restore strength and flexibility across the body. At the same time, the skin itself becomes more responsive because skin cells depend heavily on hydration to maintain their structure. And when they are consistently bathed in fluid that carries supportive minerals and antioxidants, they regain their ability to retain moisture, defend themselves from damage, and repair small daily injuries before they become visible problems. And this is why seniors who change their water habits often notice that their skin looks brighter, smoother, and more alive, even before they change anything else in their routine. Joints also respond slowly but powerfully to these signals, because cartilage is made almost entirely of collagen and water, and when that combination is optimized, the cushioning effect in the joints improves, friction decreases, and movement becomes smoother, and many seniors describe this as feeling like their joy. NTs are being oiled from the inside, not by artificial substances, but by the body's own natural repair mechanisms, finally working in a supportive environment instead of a hostile one. Another powerful effect happens at the level of inflammation, because chronic, low-grade inflammation is one of the biggest reasons collagen breaks down faster than it can be rebuilt, and plain water alone does not significantly reduce inflammatory signaling inside aging tissues, but mineral-supported hydration can help balance electrolytes, stabilize cell membranes, and reduce the constant stress signals that tell the body to break tissue down for survival. And when these stress signals fade, collagen degradation slows and new formation becomes easier and more efficient. The digestive system is also deeply involved in this process because collagen requires amino acids that come from the breakdown of protein in the gut. And when the gut environment is irritated, dry, or inflamed, those amino acids are poorly absorbed and poorly used. But when hydration is enriched in a way that supports the gut lining, digestion becomes smoother, absorption increases, and the body gains access to the raw materials it needs to build collagen naturally, without forcing the system or overloading it with supplements. Even the nervous system plays a role because the brain constantly decides whether the body should focus on repair or on survival. And dehydration, mineral imbalances, and chronic stress all tell the brain that the body is in danger, which shifts resources away from collagen production and towards short-term survival. But when hydration is balanced and supported, the nervous system shifts into a calmer, more stable mode, allowing growth, repair, and structural rebuilding to happen more freely and more consistently. Muscles, tendons, and ligaments also experience a slow revival because they are on collagen, not just for strength, but for communication between muscle fibers and bones. And when these tissues are dry and undernourished, small movements feel harder, recovery feels slower, and fatigue sets in quickly. But when hydration becomes a daily signal for repair, those tissues regain elasticity, strength, and coordination, making everyday movements feel lighter, safer, and more natural over time. One of the most surprising changes many seniors experience is the improvement in the feeling of their hands, feet, and peripheral circulation. Because when water is enhanced in a way that supports blood vessel elasticity, the tiny capillaries that feed the skin and nerves begin to open more fully, delivering warmth, oxygen, and nutrients to areas that once felt cold, numb, or slow to heal. And that improved circulation directly supports the collagen matrix that holds tissues together in those delicate areas. The power of this approach is that it works quietly and gradually, without shocks to the system and without dramatic interventions. And the body responds best to consistency rather than intensity, which means that each glass of mineral-supported water becomes a small instruction to the body that it is safe, supported, and capable of renewal. And those small instructions, repeated daily, slowly shift the body's priorities from breakdown to rebuilding, from tension to flexibility, and from weakness to resilience. What begins as a simple change in hydration slowly becomes a foundation for healthier skin, stronger joints, faster healing, and more stable movement. And even though the changes may seem invisible at first, they are taking place at the cellular level, building stronger collagen networks, improving communication between tissues, and restoring the structural integrity that makes the body feel youthful, capable, and alive at any age. ChatGPT said, bar her. Comes a point in life when small daily habits carry more power than dramatic changes. And this is especially true for the aging body, where consistency matters more than intensity, and gentle signals are more effective than force. And one of the most powerful signals a senior can give their body is through the way they hydrate, because when hydration becomes intentional instead of automatic, it changes the internal conversation that cells are constantly having with each other about survival, repair, and renewal. When water is no longer treated as something plain and empty, but instead as a carrier of natural support, the body begins to shift into a different operating mode, one that feels calmer, more balanced, and more capable of healing. And this shift is not imaginary. It is rooted in real biological processes where enzymes become more efficient, minerals are absorbed more effectively, and cellular stress gradually decreases, allowing the tissues of the body to move away from a state of silent damage and toward a state of quiet rebuilding. The skin, which often shows the first signs of aging, becomes a visible reflection of what is happening inside. Because when the inner environment improves, the outer layers respond by holding moisture better, repairing microdamage faster, and strengthening the collagen network that gives skin its firmness and smoothness. And seniors often notice that their skin begins to feel softer, more flexible, and less fragile. Not because of anything applied from the outside, but because the foundation inside the body is finally being supported. Deep inside the joints, the same process unfolds in a slower but equally meaningful way, as cartilage tissue depends heavily on a stable supply of water and nutrients to maintain its cushioning effect. And when that supply becomes consistent and enriched with supportive elements, friction inside teeth, joints decreases, stiffness lessens, and the simple act of moving becomes less intimidating and more natural, helping seniors feel more confident in their balance, their steps, and their ability to engage with the world around them. Tendons and ligaments also regain a sense of integrity, because collagen fibers respond strongly to hydration signals. And when the environment is supportive, instead of dry and strained, these fibers align more effectively, increasing both strength and flexibility at the same time. And this allows the body to move in a more coordinated, fluid way, reducing the feeling that everything is fragile and easily injured, and replacing it with a feeling of stability and trust in the body's own structure. The immune system quietly benefits as well, because collagen plays a supportive role in forming barriers that protect organs and tissues from pathogens. And when those collagen structures are stronger, the body becomes better at defending itself without overreacting, which means fewer flare-ups of inflammation and a more balanced immune response, especially in tissues that were once easily irritated or inflamed, like the skin, joints, and digestive lining. Hydration that supports collagen also influences the gut in a subtle and powerful way because the lining of the digestive tract depends on connective tissue to maintain its integrity. And when that lining is strong, the body is able to absorb nutrients more efficiently and keep harmful substances from leaking into the bloodstream, creating a calmer, cleaner internal environment that allows healing to take place without constant interruption. And this improvement in gut integrity often shows up as better energy, steadier mood, and more consistent digestion over time. What makes this daily ritual even more powerful is that it restores a sense of control, because many seniors feel like aging is something that happens to them rather than something they can influence. But when they realize that something as simple as how they drink their water can quietly strengthen the foundation of their body, they begin to feel empowered, hopeful, and motivated, and that emotional shift itself creates biological changes, reducing stress hormones and allowing healing hormones to work more effectively. The brain and nervous system also respond to this change because balanced hydration supports nerve conductivity, improves signaling between the brain and the rest of the body, and reduces the constant alarm state that chronic dehydration and mineral imbalance can create. And when the nervous system feels safe, it allows the body to switch from constant defense into regeneration. And regeneration is where collagen production naturally thrives and tissues regain strength. Over weeks and months, this simple habit builds a quiet kind of momentum because each day of supportive hydration adds another small layer of stability to the body, and the body learns through repetition that it is no longer in crisis mode, allowing long-term repair systems to stay active instead of being shut down. And this steady support helps restore balance not just in the skin and joints, but in the cardiovascular system, where collagen contributes to the strength and flexibility of blood vessel walls. Even posture can begin to improve as the connective tissues of the spine and shoulders become stronger and more hydrated. Because when the tissues that hold the skeleton together are healthier, the body naturally stands taller and moves with more ease, making breathing more efficient and movement less tiring. And this creates a positive cycle where improved oxygen delivery further supports collagen production and cellular repair. Over time, the body begins to function more like a well-supported structure rather than a fragile frame, with tissues that work together instead of struggling against each other. And this transformation does not come from extreme measures or complicated systems. It comes from honoring the body's basic needs in a more intelligent way, turning hydration into a daily message of support, stability, and renewal that the body understands deeply, responds to consistently, and uses to rebuild the strength that time tries to take away.